The Okuma BL-D 50A is an AC variable frequency drive used a lot in the machining industry. The techs at ERD will give the unit a good visual inspection and cleaning. Then they will go through the unit and replace all aged and bad components. Then they will hook up the unit on the bench for final troubleshooting and load testing. And then the Okuma BL-D 50A will go out to our shipping department for boxing and shipping back to the end user with ERD's full warranty.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.